This will be for the con exercise, convert fractions to percents. So the two steps for this exercise, you want to convert the fraction to a decimal. Okay, you can use the calculator or do it manually. And the second step is to move the decimal 2 places to the right. That's the same as multiplying by 100. Okay, it says 9/10 of alien races think invading Earth is a bad idea. What percentage of alien races think invading Earth is a bad idea? Alright, the first step is to convert this to a decimal. So if you do 9 divided by 10, okay, you can use the calculator, but 9 divided by 10 is just 0.9. Alright, and the reason I knew that, when you divide by 1 followed by zeros, however many zeros there are is how far you move the decimal place to the left. So 9 divided by 10, I just move the decimal over 1 place because there's 1 0. But if you want to use the calculator, that's fine. You should try to do it manually first if you can. Okay, 9 divided by 10 is 0.9. And then the second step is to move the decimal 2 places to the right. Okay, so if we take this decimal, we go 1, 2. All right, now if there's no number there, you can just add a 0 and it's the same thing. So 0.90 is the same as 90%. And that is the final answer. So you just click inside the box. The percent symbol is already there, so you can just type 90. Okay, 3/20 of a number is what percentage of that number? So first step is to convert this to a decimal. 3/20. Alright, again, you can use the calculator, but if you want to do it manually, it's easier if you can get this divided by 100. Okay, so I know 20 times 5 will give me a 100 in the denominator. And if I multiply the denominator by 5, I have to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. So 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, 15 divided by 100 is 0.15. Since I divided by 100, I just move the decimal over 2 places. Alright, again, this is if you want to do it manually. If you just type 3 divided by 20 on the calculator, it will give you 0.15. And now the second step, move the decimal 2 places to the right. So 1, 2, and that's just going to be 15%. Final answer. So click in the box and type 15. The percent symbol is already there. Okay, about 1/10 of the human population is left-handed. What percentage of the human population is left-handed? Okay, 1/10 or 1 divided by 10 is the same as 0.1. So that's the decimal, and then we want to move that 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. Okay, if there's no number there, you can just add a 0. So 0.10, the decimal is now here, and that's going to be 10%. All right, last one, we have 22/25. All right, again, you can use the calculator, but if you want to do it manually, you want to get a 100 in the denominator. So I know that 25 times 4, that will give me 100 in the denominator. So if I multiplied the denominator by 4, I have to multiply the numerator by 4 as well. You have to do the same multiple on the top and the bottom. 22 times 4 is 88. And I know that 88 divided by 100 is 0.88. Okay, final step, move the decimal over 2 places. And that's just going to be 88%. Notice whatever number you get divided by 100, that is going to be the percentage. So really we could have stopped right here. If we have the numerator over 100, that's going to match the percentage.